Good morning, mommy. I'll call you back later. I love you.
Dear Mayowa, it's been 4 months since you last posted anything on social media. I know it hasn't been easy, but you did it. I remember how many nights you cried yourself to sleep, haunted by the horrible things they said to you. But look at you now. You dance, you watch TV, you work hard, you never stop living. To me, you are the strongest, kindest, and most beautiful person I know. Thank you for not giving up on me. Thank you for not giving up on us. Most of all, thank you for choosing yourself. I love you, Mayowa.